So dito sa video na to, magre-react tayo tungkol dun sa uh, Eastern Conference semifinal between New York Knicks and Indiana Pacers. So I think itong series na to ay magde-determine din kung sino ang best defender, no? Kung sino ang may magandang defense sa bawat team, which is kung sino ang may mas magandang maipakita ng defense, siya rin ang may magiging magandang result ng kanilang semis matchup, ano. So huwag na natin patagalin and let's play the video and magre-react tayo.
New York City on a Monday night, and every night is playoff game night at MSG this time of year. And welcome from the Mecca, a live wire crowd ready to greet their New York Knicks as they take on the Indiana Pacers. This is the 8th time these two franchises will meet in the playoffs. 6 of those came in that 8-year span of the 90s as Brunson opens up the scoring. Coach Nembhard turns the corner. Behind by Steven.
Guys, yun ang sinasabi natin na una pa lang kita mo. Mga help defense na, no, sa bawat teammate nila. So, okay, let's continue.
DiVincenzo to Hart. The Villanova connection is real.
Oh, galing.
Gets them on their feet at MSG early. Miles Turner, no, but the putback. Well done inside by Aaron Nesmith. Siakam, a huge pickup for the Pacers as Halliburton left wide open, and Halliburton drills a three-pointer. Indiana wants to get into their offense quickly, usually in the first 8 seconds, and they will rain down the threes. And Andrew Nembhard from the corner connects.
Brunson.
Oh,
ganda.
Brunson, little turnaround is good. So steady, so strong. Brunson already with 8, and make it 10. Brunson dominating early. Nembhard blocked.
Galat, depensan lang.
Great history with these two. As Hart gets the friendly bounce. Saw Allen Houston there, Larry Johnson into the corner. Obi Toppin, first minutes on the floor.
Nice.
Former Knick, comfortable at MSG, knocks down his first shot attempt. One of the most epic series as Hart, who had a big 3 to clinch that game 6, knocks down a three-pointer here, his first.
Oh, galing.
Right
Bilis.
man, and lays it in. And a burst from Josh Hart. Ball's moving well into the corner. TJ McConnell for 3. Both teams played well at the end of the regular season. Hart drives it, kicks it, and an
nice kick out.
Owns the floor, set up by Siakam.
Nice.
Isaiah Jackson with a thunder jam. Look at Hart flying to the basket.
Oh, bilis.
One of the great coast-to-coast players in the game does just that. Jackson
Piso.
had some open looks. Another one missed. Brunson drives it. Brunson.
Galing. Galing gumamit ang katawan.
Brunson. Late clock again. Down to 4. Jackson drives it on Hart's
Nice one.
side. Jackson rips down his 6th rebound.
Oh, nice flash.
Got a step on Brunson. 33-29, Indiana by 4. Here's Anunoby stepping into one, and Anunoby hits a 3.
Well, now you see as Nembhard got his...
Nabuta na.
on him, and a great block by Turner.
Yeah, that was something else. Turner.
Oh!
Inside. Turner on the receive again from Halliburton.
Galing.
The top assist man in the NBA this year, Tyrese Halliburton.
Nice.
That's going to
Goaltending.
hit the backboard first, score that for Brunson. There's Hart with another board. Hart is a rebounding machine.
Counted. And 1.
Counted and 1 for Josh Hart. Just as you said, Coach.
Turner.
3 can do that. He is a major weapon from beyond the arc. Halliburton finds Siakam, and Siakam lays it in. He made him pay.
New York has 4 assists because it's more plays like this, just going one-on-one off the
basket.
Just a contrast of how these two teams play.
Oh, nice turnaround.
Lays it in. Signature move from OG Anunoby. Shepard, an excellent defender on DiVincenzo. And he got right by him. DiVincenzo gets to the other side of the rim. Bullies his way inside. Scores it in the paint.
Indiana scores the most points in the paint on the year.
Brunson
Gives up the most
I'm gonna break it.
hits again. Halliburton, three-pointer flies, it is good. It's an unorthodox stroke, but he makes it work, and Halliburton stretches this Pacers lead to 7.
Buzzer beater!
Hardenstein from nearly.
So guys, kita naman natin yung first half. Kitang-kita naman natin yung kanilang defense from both side both teams help defense to each sa bawat kasapi nila. So kaya ang ganda ng laban dikitan, hindi sila tambakan. Anyway, let's continue ang second half.
50 feet out. Hardenstein hit that 46-footer. DiVincenzo opens up the Knicks scoring in the second half with a 3-ball. And
nice pass.
Open in the corner, cashes one in. At the one basket in a second chance opportunity in the first half.
Ganda ng pass.
Tough layup on Siakam. Push shot by Hardenstein, no good. Hart trying to keep it alive, does so. Just wanted it more.
Well, the Knicks with only 2 offensive rebounds the entire first half.
Great feed
nice patience.
Hardenstein.
Ganang depensa.
Inside Turner, Neesmith set him up.
Nice seal.
Another assisted basket for Indiana. Brunson. Right by Halliburton. Brunson lays it in. Indiana pushes. DiVincenzo drives and
nice
release. Avoiding Miles Turner.
Ganda na pasa.
Halliburton. DiVincenzo sticks the landing on a corner 3. Hart driving. Hart. Euro. That's his game.
Ganda ng pasa na yan.
Nembhard left wide open. Nobody even guarding Nembhard, and he buries a mid-range jumper. Neesmith the board. Halliburton up ahead. The outlet to Toppin. Pacers can regain the lead here. McConnell, floater.
Ganda, floater.
Indiana back in front. As TJ McConnell comes on and scores. McConnell gets the steal. Here's Turner up top for Toppin.
Reverse jam.
10-0 Indiana run.
Ayun. Nice alley-oop.
To Mitchell Robinson on the lob.
Well, New York returning a favor on the pick and roll.
Between the legs.
The former slam dunk champ gives you a taste of
Yari, kaboom.
Late clock here, used it all up. Hart with a rebound. Hard up ahead. DiVincenzo flying. Turner guarding.
Ganda.
What a tough bucket. McConnell kicks it. Turner.
Layo. Buzzer beater.
Anunoby for 3.
Nice.
OG Anunoby. Jackson was an igniter in the first half, especially.
Ganda ng find.
Toppin cues it up. Drops a 3 for the Pacers. Now McConnell drives it.
Nice drive.
Lays it in. Robinson secures the offensive board. Now Hart drives.
Nice splash. Ganda ng tagdag na.
Knicks knock it away, but Jackson right there. He can't finish it though. And Anunoby's got the ball. Hart to DiVincenzo. DiVincenzo.
Stop and bump 3.
Cash money. And it's a 1-point game. Halliburton with Siakam. Tough catch. Jackson.
Ganda na reverse.
Brunson.
Ay! Goaltending!
That'll be a goaltend. Neesmith drives out.
Nice job!
What a dunk! Silky smooth. Brunson.
Step up.
Did a good job managing those fouls as well. Nembhard scores. Big shot for Nembhard. Halfway mark of this fourth quarter. And up and over 30 goes Brunson. He's got 31 now. His Hart drives it, drops his shoulder, and
nice one.
Misses the free throw, gets his own though.
Sipag. Masipag talaga si Hart.
Tied. Siakam working on Anunoby.
Nice step back.
And he's got it. Big shot for Pascal Siakam. And now Nembhard on Brunson.
Pull up.
Three-pointer. And Brunson
Antinos
moves the cords, makes it a 2-point game.
Steal.
Turn it over.
Patay. Dakba.
Knicks
lumang na palang New York.
Over Nembhard. Cash push it in. Up ahead, here's Siakam.
Nice.
Lays it in. Nembhard set him up beautifully. We are tied at 113.
Tied, 1-1-3.
DiVincenzo gets a step. Nembhard, what a layup in traffic. Brunson shifty, looking for contact. Brunson.
Oh, galing. Nakasaan talaga si Brunson.
Kicks to DiVincenzo, three-pointer.
Oh!
Siakam guarded by Anunoby. Two former Raptors going at it. Siakam, strong layup. Indiana down a point. And Madison Square
offensive!
will be called for an offensive foul on the screen. Trying to get the ball to Brunson. He's got it. Got a foul.
Foul.
That's going to send Brunson
10.7. Lamang
to
na
the free
tatlo.
throw line.
Apat.
Cut. Pacers got to go quick. They're down 4. Up ahead. Halliburton.
Oh.
Halliburton looked like he rolled.
Steal. Tapos na.
Knicks have it. OG Anunoby dribbles it out. And
So yun guys, game 1, success yung New York Knicks 121 by 117. So I think yung series to magdi-define dito yung mga role player nila, no, at saka yung mga help defense, no. Kitang-kita naman yung help defense ng bawat team at saka yung role player nila talagang pag gumana. Kita niyo yung factor doon yung end game na. So ayun. So tingnan natin sa next game kung yung defense pa rin ng mga Miami, Okay? So thank you very much and please like and subscribe. Thank you.